you make it an art. After all these years, you're still drawing hard. Oh, how looking at your art brings back the memories. I still remember the day, grade 1. Will you be my Valentine note? Check yes or no. You sent it back with the maybe inside a heart you drew. Yeah, how I remember that. Oh, how a maybe inside a heart turned into forever. After all these years, you're still drawing hearts. This is why I fell for you. I love you because of who you are. You care about my heart. You make it an art. We both love animals. I love cats, you prefer dogs. Yet on that one night, our first real date, you gifted me a kitten. You knew how to capture my heart. I told you M&M's were my favorite snack, and you filled my hiding spot with them. Now every time I eat an M&M, I feel loved. You know, picture this. You make me feel like a kitten playing with a ball of yarn, or a puppy